This week, we're doing spaghetti bolognese. It's one of the first things that I learned to cook. And this one is so easy, you don't even need a knife. No chopping bolognese sauce. I mean, no chopping. You're gonna need minced beef, some gravy granules, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, a carrot, some spaghetti, some frozen diced white onion, some frozen sliced peppers, a little bit of cheese to finish on the top, a grater, a colander, a saucepan, a deep-sided frying pan or something about that big, some tongs, wooden spoon, peeler and a spoon for eating. Bolognese sauce starts off with minced beef. Into a pan, no need to add any oil. You can hear it sizzling straight away, and that's what you want, okay? Now, at this beginning bit, you need to keep stirring it and breaking it up so it doesn't fry into one big lump. And then, just leave it. Stand back, leave it, don't walk away, don't go and sit down and watch a football or put a movie on. Hang around. Once that liquid is evaporated, it'll start to get a lovely bit of colour on it. The next thing to add into this is some white diced frozen onion. Add that to the pan. We're also going to add, I lied, you do need a knife, 1 mug of frozen mixed peppers. And the next thing is 1 carrot. It breaks down really easily, so you don't even know that you've got bits of carrot in it. Add the grated carrot to the pan and stir it all together. So once everything is softened down a little bit, tomato puree. Then 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. Pour it in and then take the tin to the tap and fill it with water. And add the water to the pan. And the next thing, for a bit of extra beefy flavour, 2 tablespoons of pesto. They've got that lovely beefy flavour to it, but also it thickens things, gives it structure and body. We're going to cook it now for around about 20 minutes. Fill a large saucepan with water and get it on the hob. The water's come out to the boil. The bolognese sauce is cooking out. This is spaghetti and I love it. And there's something lovely about spaghetti when it goes into a pan like that. That's a childhood memory for me, seeing it like that. There used to be like a daft thing that used to say if you threw spaghetti against the wall and it stuck, it would be ready. But that's not true, is it? Because that's stuck against the wall and I've just eaten it and it's not ready. So that's a lie. Okay, my spaghetti's cooked. Colander into the sink and then drain the pasta into the colander. Sauce is ready. Get yourself a bowl, your tongs, and help yourself to some pasta. We're going to put a big spoonful or 2. And then on top of that, I'm going to put a sprinkle of childhood cheese. Anyone who's over 40 will know exactly what I mean. Fork for eating. And that is my no-chop spaghetti bolognese. Let me know how you've got on today using the hashtag #FulltimeMeals and follow our page where you can see loads more recipes.